How to add pictures on CapCut. Now it's very simple to add pictures in CapCut. You can simply open up the CapCut video editor app. So if first of all, I'm getting some ads because this is a free version of CapCut, right? So I can simply go in and start a new project, and I can choose a certain video that I want to add. Now let's say I want to add pictures to this particular video, or I only want to add pictures. How do I do that? You can see the plus icon on the right hand side. I can tap the plus icon right there. I can go to photos and add the photos that I want, and just like that, when I tap the add button, I'll be able to add those photos on my CapCut. So this way, it's a simple way on how you can add pictures on CapCut. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.